leverage storytelling. Have you tried storytelling? It's a good way to connect with your audience. You see, stories make your brand feel more human and help customers connect emotionally with you. Here's what you can do. Share the story behind your business. It could be the challenges you've overcome or how your products or services have impacted customers. Let's talk about Cheryl, a young wife whose husband works in Dubai. She runs a flower shop which she started while she was still single. And Cheryl had lovely flowers and she's great with floral arrangements. However, she found it hard to get noticed. She wanted to connect better with her customers but did not know how. And seeing other flower shops do well on social media often made her say, "Sana all." Okay, so she feared her business might continue to not do well and that she might be forced to close it soon. So Cheryl did some research and she looked at successful business owners for ideas. And she noticed that a lot of them were sharing their stories and this was helping them build their brands. So Cheryl also decided to share her own journey on social media, including what inspired each of her floral designs and how she started her flower shop. And this made customers feel closer to her brand. And they liked the personal touch and honesty of her business. Her storytelling created a loyal community of customers who felt connected to her brand's journey. What an awesome turnaround, right? Do that as well. Start telling your story today.